If you are spending too much money on water changes, struggling with dirty pond water, or using fish because of poor water quality, then you need to understand the recirculating aquaculture system, commonly called RAS. RAS is a system that continuously filters, cleans, and returns water back to your fish pond. This helps maintain better water quality, improves fish growth, and reduces water wastage. In this video, I want to show you how I built one of these systems from start to finish. Everything starts with proper planning. Every pipe, fitting, and container has a special purpose. A well-designed RAS is not just about connecting pipes. It is about making sure water moves efficiently through every state of filtration. As I assemble the plumbing, I carefully position each connection to reduce water loss and ensure a smooth flow throughout the system. The filtration unit is the heart of the RAS. This is where solid waste is separated and beneficial bacteria grow to convert harmful ammonia into safer compounds. Without proper filtration, fish health will suffer. Next comes the aeration system. Fish need enough dissolved oxygen to grow well and remain healthy. A reliable aeration system keeps oxygen levels high while allowing the biological filter to work effectively. Every installation is tested before stocking fish. Even a small leak or poor water flow can affect the performance of the entire system. So testing is an important step. One thing I have learned over the years is that you do not need expensive imported equipment to build an effective RAS. With the right knowledge and the correct materials, you can build a reliable system that works for your farm. If you want to learn how to build this complete recirculating aquaculture and irrigation system by yourself, I have created a step-by-step DIY course. Inside the course, I explain every component, the materials you need, how to assemble the system, common mistakes to avoid, and how to keep it running efficiently. The course is available worldwide in US dollars on Gumroad. And if you are in Ghana or any other African country, you can also purchase through Ghana cedis using mobile money system. If you're interested, call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. You will also find the enrollment link in the video description. This is Abdulaziz Isa from Fako Aquaponics. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you build your own recirculating aquaculture system.